everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar and I am a data warehouse consultant at Oli Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about the pipeline for Azure Synapse Data Analytics. We have two options for data integration at scale. Either we can use Azure Data Factory or we can go with Azure Synapse pipeline for cloud data warehouse solutions. Today we will pick Azure Data Factory. It is the cloud-based ETL and data integration services that allows you to create data-driven workflows for orchestrating data movement and transforming data at scale. This we can say an advanced version of a traditional cloud ETL tool similar to SSIS. Data Factory provides a data integration and transformation layer that works across your digital transformation initiatives. It has so many inbuilt connectors that will helpful for fetching data from big data sources. So it has inbuilt around 90 connectors that supports different type of database like Amazon, Oracle. It supports Azure SQL database and many more. So that we can leverage with so many connectors inside the Azure Data Factory that provides a full flexibility while doing data flow integration from your on-premise or on cloud different type of data sources. ADF can handle structured and unstructured data at an unlimited scales. This change has shifted the paradigm for loading and transforming data from ETL to ELT, extract, load and transform. So there are basically two common types of data integration pattern that can be supported by Azure Data Factory. First one is modern data warehouse workloads. What is modern data warehouse workloads? So it is a modern data warehouse provides a descriptive analytics and decision support services across the whole enterprise using structured and unstructured or maybe streaming data sources. So here Azure Data Factory supports data flows into the warehouse from multiple transactional systems, relational database and other data sources on a periodic basis. So we can schedule the pipeline and we can accordingly we can manage the entire workflows. Second one is advanced analytical workloads. Here we perform advanced analytics in the form of predictive or primitive analytics using a range of Azure Data Platform services. Azure Data Factory provides the integration from source system into a data lake store and can initiate compute resource such as Azure Databricks or SD Insight to use the data to perform the advanced analytical works. So this is the whole idea about Azure Data Factory and their use. For more details on cloud modern data warehouse solutions or any such related queries, please connect with us at info@olitech.com.